El Paso Community College is making a life-saving drug accessible to students and staff. Thank you so much for tuning in to KTSM 9 News Now. I'm Monica Cortez. Estela Casas has a night off. EPCC launched a NARCAN distribution program across all of its campuses in the beginning of August. And the nasal spray is a medicine administered to reverse the effects of a life-threatening opioid emergency. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltazar is live from one of their campuses in the Lower Valley. Jesus, what have officials told you about this program?
Well, Monica, EPCC resumes classes in just over a week. Officials told me they have already distributed over 70 boxes of the NARCAN spray, having to replenish the supply here at the Valle Verde and the Mission campuses. Their goal is to encourage students and staff to learn the importance of the NARCAN spray. They will be offering periodic trainings on how to administer the spray, which officials say is fairly simple, but important to know as one may encounter an opioid emergency at any given time. The El Paso Harm Reduction Alliance, composed of volunteers promoting education and training in the public and mental health sector, as well as substance use, commending the initiative, saying it's crucial to expand accessibility to medicine like NARCAN.
So typically in an overdose situation, what happens is a lack of oxygen to the brain. And so time is of the essence. And that's why we advocate for everyone carrying Narcan, everyone being able to have Narcan on hand, because really seconds do matter. And it could be the difference between waking up from an overdose and not waking up from an overdose. And so we just want to make sure, that we're promoting saving lives.
August being Overdose Awareness Month, Alvarez says it's important to educate the public about the complexity of the opioid epidemic and substance use plaguing communities, saying it is very stigmatized and easy to blame people who use the substances, but that there's a lack of understanding that substance use disorder is a disease. She also explained that with overdoses, people using the substances are unaware of what's in them, oftentimes substance being cross-contaminated or even having a higher dose. Now tonight at 10, I'll dive deeper into my conversation with Alvarez regarding the opioid epidemic. Reporting from the Lower Valley, Jesus Baltazar, back to you.